In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link OneDrive to your PC in just about 5 minutes. First, head over to either the library or File Explorer on your computer. It's a good idea to make sure you're familiar with your PC's basic navigation paths, as accessing OneDrive through File Explorer will make everything much easier. Once you're there, look for the OneDrive icon. It usually stands out because it resembles a cloud, which makes it easy to spot among other folders and files. When you've found it, go ahead and give it a click. This step allows you to access OneDrive directly and begin integrating it with your system. With OneDrive open, the next step is to use your mouse to right-click. This action will bring up a context menu with a variety of options. Here, you will see an option specifically labeled as OneDrive. Go ahead and select that option. It's like opening a door to a suite of settings that will help you customize the way OneDrive interacts with your computer. In the menu that appears, look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where you can access all sorts of configurations that can tailor the OneDrive experience to fit your needs. After clicking Settings, navigate to the tab labeled Account. You should now see a different range of choices that pertain more directly to linking OneDrive to your specific PC account. Now, you'll want to find and click on Add Account. This is a crucial step as it facilitates the syncing process between OneDrive and your PC. By adding an account, you allow your PC to recognize and sync the data stored on OneDrive, such as documents, photos, and other important files. After setting up the account, it's time to move on to the Sync and Backup section. It's here that you'll ensure all your files will be kept updated and accessible across both your PC and OneDrive. Go ahead and click on the Manage Backup option. This will lead you to one of the final, yet significant steps in this process. Managing backup is really all about choosing which folders you'd like OneDrive to keep in sync with your PC. Finally, you should see an option to Enable Backup. Clicking this will complete the process, ensuring that your selected files and data are securely backed up to OneDrive. And there you have it. With these simple yet comprehensive steps, you've successfully linked OneDrive to your PC. Now, all your critical files can be accessed anytime, whether you're on your computer or logged in from another device. This linking not only provides convenient access, but also peace of mind, knowing that your essential data is backed up and safe. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.